Expansion of the space fabric executed by the Creator himself, Psalm 104 verse 2 and Isaiah 40 verse 22, accounts for the larger deep time and space events, all within a recent framework of a few thousand years. The Bible in a number of places states that during creation, and again later during the flood episode, God stretched out the fabric of space. Now, are you listening? This is really the most profound answer that is scientific and biblical. Only God can stretch out the fabric of space. But Albert Einstein demonstrated that space, mass, and time are interrelated. By the way, we have, in that case back there, Albert Einstein's original letter, his first letter, typed in German on his typewriter, signed by him, defending this theory of relativity. We have the original letter. It was right here. Space, mass, and time are interrelated. Each affects the other. If you could stretch the fabric of space, you can't, but God can and did, at least twice, as recorded. If you could stretch the fabric of space, that would mature mass, and that would stretch out or dilate time. Thus, now watch closely, let's get to the heart of this. Astrophysical data show that all the other galaxies are receding from our galaxy. We're at or near the center of something special. And then calculations by Dr. Russell Humphreys, credentialed astrophysicist and astronomer, have shown very clearly that the farther out in space you go, the greater is the mass. All the mass of galaxies and the stars are way out there. You put it all together, our being at the center, where the data show. Now, secular astronomers don't like to admit it, but they have to put in the footnotes. Everything, we're at the center, everything's going away from us. You put that all together, and that means we're in a gravitational well. Gravitationally, the gravity of the whole universe. We're in a gravitational well. Physical experiments have been run to show that in a gravitational well, time runs on a normal clock chronology, quite slow. But the higher in that well you go, the higher you go, the faster time runs and the faster mass matures. Mass matures faster in time. So, simply this, all within 6,000 years, if you could stretch the fabric of space, in deep space, it could be 13 billion years out there, because as those galaxies stretch, they mature, mass matures, and time dilates. It could be 13, 16 billion, 20 billion years out there because of the stretching of space fabric, all within just a few thousand years. But you got to stretch space fabric to do that. You can't do it. I can't either, but God can. But at the center. So, we have our cake and eat it too.